Hi, welcome back to my channel and today I am doing an eye makeup look inspired by this. So let me start with prepping my eyes. I'll start with little bit of concealer to hide my dark circles and prep my eyelids. And while I do that, let me give you a little blooper alert. I accidentally poked my eye with eyeliner midway. So yeah, there will be some watery drama too. After concealing my eyes, let's move on to green eyeliner. So this is actually a green kajal which I'm using as an eyeliner. If you have a green eyeliner, just go for it. But this is easier because it's easy to blend. Apply it on your upper and lower lash line and you don't have to do it precisely because anyways we are going to blend it. This is a very simple eye makeup look and it will hardly take 10 minutes for you to complete this. So you have to give it a try. As you can see, I have not applied it very precisely. I'm dragging it slightly outwards to give it a lifted effect. After applying the green kajal on both upper and lower lash line, take a fluffy brush and blend it properly. So just keep blending until you get the desired look. By the way, while I do that, let me tell you both these eye pencils are from Zudio. The pigment is really good. So now let's move on to the makeup. Now for some contrast, I'm going in with a blue kajal on my upper and lower lash line. Just don't worry if it's not perfect. Anyways, we are going to smudge it. So blue and green together is a really good combination. While I do that, let me ask you a question. Okay, be honest. Would you wear a blue kajal to a brunch or is it too bold for you? Comment below. So okay, now let's take again the fluffy brush and blend. We'll blend it. We'll smudge it a bit for that smoked out look. Blue and green together? Yes, please. Now I'll be repeating the same process again with the blue kajal. I'm again going to apply it on my upper and lower lash line and again we'll smudge it. So I'm doing it just to deepen the color right near the lashes. I really want that bold pigmented look close to the eyes. Once that's on, I'm softly smudging it out. Not too much, just enough to blend and make it look smoky. I just love it how it makes my lash line pop. Now next, to set all of this in, I am using a blue eyeshadow and gently pressing it over the kajal. Kind of setting it with powder. This not only helps it last longer but also deepens the color and gives it the soft smoky eyeliner vibe. Plus, it adds a nice velvety finish.
Wow.
Okay, so we are getting somewhere. I like it. Now let's move on to the next step. Alright, time for the black eyeliner. Just to add a little definition to the eyes. By the way, it's very difficult for me to apply eyeliner on camera. So I'm giving it a try and boom! I stabbed my eye. Ouch! Anyone else do this every time you try to be precise? So now my eye is watering.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
don't worry. Let me take a break. Let it settle. I'll be back. Here for the second try. We'll try it again. I'm not giving up this time. Take two, guys. Okay. This is perfect. I'm able to. Now the difficult part.
What?
Okay, again it started. What is this happening? I'm not giving up, guys. I am going to apply eyeliner on camera today. It's going well. I think I can do it. I think I can. But okay. Again. Okay, so I give up and I'm going to apply eyeliner off camera, which is done. Now here I'm applying a little bit of white eyeshadow on my lower waterline to make my eyes look bigger. I'll just put on my lashes, mascara, and this is the final look. I am in love with this, guys. I just love the eye makeup. Tell me in the comments, what do you feel? This is just so easy and still so beautiful. And I think the black liner has created all the magic. It is really defining my eyes. That's it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want more bold makeup looks and real life chaos. See you in the next one. Bye.